Hey, what's up guys? My name is Alin Chabet and kama kawaida, welcome back to my channel. Today is another mini road trip, and as usual, where I go with my people. So let's go straight to Kunoni Gardens. Yo, this place is special because my friend went to this school, and it is this school because it was the group of schools, you know what I'm saying? So yes, the main agenda for today is to go bird watching. So let's get straight into it. Kunoni Gardens is a hidden gem nestled in the serene surrounding of Nkoroi, Kajiado County, Kenya. For those who understand the Maasai language, Nkoroi, drop on the comment section, tell us what it means. Yes, so this unique destination offers a harmonious blend of lush gardens, a vibrant sports club, and a tranquil bird sanctuary. Exactly the reason for the day. So imagine stepping into a world where the gentle rustling of leaves and the melodious chirping of birds create a symphony of tranquility. Kunoni Gardens invites you to escape the hustle and bustle of the city life and immerse yourself in nature's beauty. As you explore the expansive gardens, you'll encounter a diverse array of flora, from towering trees to vibrant flower beds. The carefully manicured lawns and winding pathways provide a peaceful ambience for leisurely walks or picnics. For those who love nature like me, this is what it is. For the sports enthusiasts, Kunoni Gardens offers a range of recreational facilities. Whether you're a tennis enthusiast, a golfer, or simply enjoy a game of football, you will find something to suit your interests here. The clubs is well maintained. Courts and fields provide a perfect setting for friendly matches or competitive tournaments. This haven for feathered friends is home to a variety of species, including migratory birds that flock to the area during specific seasons. As you stroll through the sanctuary, keep your eyes peeled for colorful parrots, elegant herons, and majestic eagles soaring overhead. Whether you're seeking a peaceful retreat, a family outing, or a romantic getaway, Kunoni Gardens offers something for everyone. Come and experience the magic of the hidden oasis and reconnect with nature and the motherland. Let's get straight into the bird seeing, you guys. Twende. What do we call this?
Trumpeter pigeon.
Trumpeter.
Yeah. And then there's this one now. This is called the putter pigeon.
Okay.
Basically, the normal pigeons.
This ones. What do you call them? Pigeons.
Yes. A fan-tail pigeon.
A fan-tail pigeon.
Yeah, because its tail looks like a fan.
Ooh. Oh yeah. Wow. Fantail. All of them, yeah? They're so cute. Angaleo.
Not all of them. This one specifically.
Okay.
Yeah. This is a putter. The other ones also. A release. That is the couple ones.
Ooh.
Release a white.
So cute.
Dove.
Yeah, because they're so little. Atini, how many
I
months?
think 3 to 4.
Ostrich.
Wanakuwa haraka. When they came, they were like
Babies.
and they have been here for like another 2.
What? Wanamea basaraka.
Sana. It's interesting. Wanakuwa haraka.
Beautiful. I had this ones. What do you call this?
They're called silky.
Silky.
Yes.
Hi,
So
Silky.
their meat is black. Naona venye miguu zao.
Rabbits. Hi, rabbit. Ameitwa nani ama mjempatia jina? It's called what?
A chicken giant. You see venye iko na hizo spots za black.
Yeah. Oh, it's so cute.
Actually, for rabbits, when they are younger, they're very playful. But when they are older, they are shy.
And it's called a what?
Flemish giant. All of them are does. All of them are females. We only bring males when it's time for breeding.
All female? In dunia men wako na shida. Ati they only brought when they are needed. Please remind me.
Flemish giant.
Flemish giant. So cute. Hi, giant. Hello. Gold?
Yes, I confirm that one.
Okay.
So this is a breed of the other one. Just give me a minute.
More rabbits. Hi. Hi. Are you shy?
New Zealand.
New Zealand rabbits.
Yeah.
Hey, hey, hey,
So the
cuties.
white ones and the other ones are just the normal color. So the white ones, they have, that's why we're
Oh, they lack melanin.
Yes.
Okay. But they also have problems.
Apparently they do.
Oh no. Okay.
It's just that
Color. Now without albinism.
yes.
Hey, hey, come
The one
here.
is a chinchilla.
Chinchilla.
Yeah. The one in your maniliza.
Oh, the other one is a chinchilla. Yellow.
Yellow too.
Okay. Yellow. Hi. Hi.
You see, when they're older, they're quite shy.
Chinchilla. Hi, chinchilla. Hello. Brahma chicken.
And they're a bit bigger compared to the normal size chicken.
Oh. So ukionanga zile big chicken unafikiria it's not like
Alafu
chicken
pia wako
chicken.
na fur kwa miguu. Miguu zao ziko na-
Oh.
This is the male, that's the female.
Male, female. And they're called peasants.
Yeah, this is silver peasants. We also have the golden. We have 3 types of peasants.
Silver
Silver,
peasant,
golden,
gold,
ringneck.
and green neck. Ringneck peasants. Hey, now I know. So beautiful. Look at that. Woohoo. What do you call this?
Cockatiels and bagarigas. There are
Cockatiels and bagaribads.
bagarigas.
Bagarigads. Very beautiful. Now is it talker? Oh,
Vile zinakaa super kwanza ya blue.
oh, so cute. God damn it. So blue, yellow, green, chartreuse.
Now I get your food about watching. Oh, okay.
It's worth it.
Hey, it's worth it.
Ndio.
Oh, so cute.
Ina nini mbio.
Guinea fowls, guys.
I don't know if this.
So where's the helmeted? I can't see.
That is the helmeted one. Unaona venye iko na kama a small helmet. These ones are Brahma.
Oh, Brahma. Brahma. Brahma, baby. They already mated now.
Huyu bado hajamate, but the other two have.
Uh-huh.
And immediately after mating, all of them wither off. Alafu they start growing afresh.
Oh,
Yes.
okay. And this one? The female.
No, that's also male.
Oh, Jesus.
Unaona huyu mwenye ni kefi na kaa bit of green.
Yeah.
That's the female now.
Whoa.
So unaona hata huyu yake inaanza kukua.
Yeah.
Itakuwa mpaka ikuwe kubwa vizuri.
When the female?
When the female moves closer to them,
Yeah.
ndio wanafungwanga mabawa and then they shake it.
To attract the male.
Yeah.
Like
It's called
now I'm
the
ready.
dance, a peacock dance.
Oof, okay.
Yeah, to attract the female for mating.
It's the male dancing, not the female.
No, the male.
Eesh.
Anifungua hiyo nani and then in a shake. They do a dance. Don't know if I have a video.
I love that.
Sasa hapo.
Unaona huyo zake zimeanza kukua fresh.
That one.
Shamet, yes.
Okay. So cute. Whoa, beautiful. Vulturine guinea fowls.
Yeah. See that one? You see that bird there? That's not a peacock. That's a vulturine.
Because
seeing
it's
it?
even different from yeah. I'm recording your hand pointing.
So now you see
So this one already mated.
so you're seeing it's starting to grow. It's gonna
Lakini
grow.
Ah,
Yes, that's a guinea fowl. A vulturine guinea fowl.
so this one already mated, guys.
Yes.
Okay. And they coexist, like since this is a different species, it's not like you're not part of our.
The only ones that are a bit hostile are the peasants.
Peasants.
The ones that are a bit hostile.
Okay.
But these ones they coexist.
Crossbreeding between the ducks and.
No, like the chicken especially.
Oh, so this one was crossbred between the duck and.
We are trying to.
Oh.
Trying to see.
Oh, that's why. Oh, wow.
This one's a turkey. Female one, there's a male one on this side.
You said which one is a turkey? Oh, I didn't even see it. Oh my God.
Actually, yeah.
Yeah, there's a turkey. Can't see it closer. But yep, we have normal season zile rooster
Chinese bantam.
or Chinese banter.
They're quite short. They are not the normal size chicken.
So they are short. Chinese banter. Okay. So from the name, did you like get them from China?
Yeah, definitely.
A turkey. Hey, hey you, turkey.
Hii ni mrefu.
Ni cute. Inaitwa nini?
Is it just the normal chicken?
Oh, this is normal. But this one is very big.
So ile inaitwa kishingo.
Kishingo. Yeah, Kishingo is there. You can see from the neck. The criminal turkeys.
Kwanza ikienda
Itakukimbisha. Ndio inafura. Hakuna kwenye utakuja. Ati nyama tamu. By the way, turkey meat. A new breed of birds. They're so cute.
And actually, the male is quite hostile. Hata venye ni mdogo.
The male is hostile.
Very
Whoa.
hostile. For both this one and this one.
Protective.
It's very, very protective.
Okay.
They're famous. Hapo ndani ukiingia.
Duck sort.
So what does a guy do? Kienda kwa feed. Kama ni jua kuna chakula.
Sorry?
Huyo msichana wa feed anafanya nini sasa?
I think mostly ni juu amezoea, yeye anajua kuhandle our.
Nani, you can use them to cook crisp for the male. Look at that. So cute. Woo. Watu anaweza nipoka hapa.
Sana, hao wako hostile, wako very.
Unaona hata venye
No,
wananingoja
the
tu.
females are not, but the male.
Yeah.
Huyo, the cock.
Hey, protective.
Mkali sana. The females are not.
So did you import this from
Yes, this
somewhere?
is also imported. This is a new breed. These two
Uh,
are new breeds. I will get to know
okay.
soon. Wanaitwa aje na wametoka wapi.
Okay. You're doing a good job. Our?
Turkeys. No,
Are just normal turkeys.
Yeah, the female now.
The female turkeys. Why are you isolating these ones from the male?
Sometimes the male is quite hostile. Unajua turkey pia anakuanga
So atawachapa.
wanapigana tu. Kubali kushindwa.
Turkey.
Then we have ducks and mala. You know that?
Gathers.
Okay, since
Danger.
not even danger, a new sensation or a new person,
They feel it.
wanapiga kelele.
Oh, so they're like the intruders. They're called gathers.
I have another breed called mala. Sijui wako.
Tanike before nikuje ni mimi.
Actually, I don't think wanaweza kuuma, but labda kukimbia.
Watanikimbiza wewe nikikuwa mdogo. I can be challenging, but these people can run. Guy.
Mimi naonanga tu ni kelele wakisense a new prey.
Hawa naitwa French Mondaine. Yes, these are the French Mondaine, guys. Looking beautiful. Fabulous. I'm enjoying myself. Babes, why are you running away from me? Ladies. This one. I think tumetoka huku. Okay, so I'll just take a video.
Sasa hapa mnataka kumfanya nini?
When this one grow big.
So expanding.
Their plan is to talk. They know also there's no big space.
So you say ostriches need a bigger space, so that space over there, guys, when they expand and for school trip.
Yes.
Okay. Ni ya kuasha.
Ile kitchen imekuwa kitu kitchen.
Gasi iko wapi? Hata sijaona.
Ile pale.
Kuna maneno. Nimefikiria maybe hata mimi nimefikiria actually.
No, weirdly, imagine hata kukinyesha, wenyewe tu wataingia kwa hizi cages. You see all of them have cages. Wanaingianga tu.
Wenyewe tu.
The birds wanakuwa kwa open area. Kuna watasongea kwa mti.
Finally, guys, we've come to the end of the bird watching, and we were so lucky to see the rabbits in there. It was spectacular. So let me just summarize 5 facts that you guys need to know for you to come to Kunoni Gardens, because it was amazing. Nilikuwa nafikia ni zile vitu za wazungu, but I loved every bit, you guys. I loved it. So it's a serene atmosphere. It has a diverse flora, It has a beautiful bird sanctuary and has amazing recreational facilities. And you are told they are having a Ma event soon, guys. So if you want the details, reach out to me. Until next time, asanteni sana. Please remember to subscribe and share with a friend. Thank you. Mwah.